This is one of the world's and certainly Australia's largest and most sophisticated climate change experiments. First proposed in 2009 and more than a year in construction, Eucface is now in its third year of serious data collection. 6 enormous rings, each measuring 25 metres in diameter and 30 metres high, tower over the Cumberland woodland scrub. The rings are the very latest word in computer-controlled elevated carbon dioxide delivery systems.
These white structures are pipes and they're perforated, and out of those perforations comes CO2 in a computer-controlled fashion. The idea is that the natural wind is going to take the CO2 across the plot and bathe the trees essentially in this high CO2 atmosphere that we expect in about 35 years.
Every day, around 10 tonnes of CO2 is added to the atmosphere inside the live rings, but beyond that, the entire experiment has been designed to have an absolute minimal effect on the environment.
Some of the rings were actually built around existing trees, so they had to ad hoc, manufacture bits as they were putting it up, so it wouldn't actually have to cut down any trees or disturb any of the plants that were there as well.
The scientists say it's still a little early to be drawing concrete conclusions from the Eucface experiment, but one thing they can agree on is the global importance of this kind of research.
One feature about phase experiments is that it's a big collaborative experiment, so there's lots of different scientists from different countries and with different focuses. And basically everyone comes out and has their project, and then when you put all the puzzle pieces together, hopefully you learn a lot about how the ecosystem works, and that can go from carbon to nutrients to above ground to below ground to in general ecosystem cycling or tree growth or anything.
This is probably the most instrumented area of Australian bush. I don't know, but most likely is.